Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make easy Oreo pops. This is how it's going to look like at the end. Let's get to it. So I'm using compound chocolate for this one because it's much easier to work with and it's a perfect consistency for dipping. So I would just heat it up for a minute at the beginning, stir it up and then stir in every 30 seconds of heating it up. So once your chocolate is really smooth and has no lumps in it, you just have to get to the assembling of the Oreos. So you just have to separate the Oreos into the two sides and then dab on some chocolate on one part of your Oreo, lay your lollipop stick on it, dab on some more chocolate onto that and then just close it up with the other half and it should just right up. So let's just see a few more of how it's done. This is really easy thing to do even for the kids. They just really like that. And it's time for dipping now. So you just have to dip your Oreos into the chocolate, let it drip, let excess chocolate drip, and then you can use any kind of decorations you like. But I really love these unicorn sprinkles. I will leave a link down below to where I got it from. They're Dr. Oetker's unicorn sprinkles. So that's it, guys. That's the finished Oreo pops. Now I'm just gonna pack them off to make it look a bit more appealing. I've got these cookie bags that's self-sealable off eBay. I can leave a link down below to those as well. So, and I've used a bit of ribbon as well. And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.